What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're going to write an algebraic expression to model this pattern that we got going on right here. So I go from -6 to -1, -1 to 4, 4 to 9. What's happening each time? Well, I'm adding 5 here, I'm adding 5 here, and I'm adding 5 here. So my rate of change here is the same each time. What kind of equation would that be? That would be linear. So when I'm writing a linear expression to model this, I'm going to have a slope of 5 because it's going up by 5 each time. If you're talking about a straight line, y equals mx plus b, then that slope, that m, is going to be that number. So I'm going to have 5n to start. Now I need to figure out how to get my first term, and then we're going to see if this thing checks out down the line. Well, if I plugged in, say, 1, because we'll say that this guy's going to be 1, this is term 2, 3, and 4. If I plugged in 1 for n, I'd get 5. How am I going to get 6 out of that? Well, I'd need to subtract 11. So now I have 5n minus 11. Let's see if that works. If I plug in 1, I get 5 minus 11 is -6. Now, if I plugged in 2 to this expression here, I'd get 10 minus 11 is -1. So far, so good. If I plug in 3, I'm going to get 15 minus 11 is 4. And if you guessed it, if I plug in 4, I'm going to get 20 minus 11 is 9. We have our linear expression right here, and that's awesome.